Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how we can predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So let me take my few trades here. Okay, so I have taken my trades here. Let me take few more trades. Okay, again I can go with the sellers. Okay, again I can go with the sellers. Okay, again I can go with the buyers. Okay, again I can go with the buyers. Okay, so I have taken 6 trades in 1 minute. So let's see what happens. Okay, no issues, no issues, no issues. Okay, right now I am in my best position. So here you can see I have taken 6 trades in 1 minute and I only lost one because I know I analyzed the market here wrongly, because I took this trade before the end of the candlestick, so therefore I lost my trade. You can see here I won my trade here. This doji candle worked as a sign of continuation here. Okay, so here you can see that this candle acted as a sign of reversal here, and here you can see that I took my trade in a down direction and I won my trade here. And here you can see that I also took my trade in a down direction and I won my trades here too. Okay, so here I lost my trade because of my bad analysis. So you can see here, this candle closed as a bullish, so the seller's area was here, and this, let me show you clearly. So this point was a seller's area, and because of this gap the candle went up, and here my analysis were wrong, so therefore I lost my trade here. So let me show you my trades. Okay, so here you can see that I took my trade in an up direction because this candle is a sign of continuation, and because of this the candle went up, so therefore I won my trade here. Okay, so in AUD CAD I won my trade. Why I won my trade? Because you can see here these two candles, we always think that okay, now the momentum is started and the candles will go down. No, it is wrong. We need to identify what will be the next market move. So therefore I took this strong candle as a sign of reversal, and you can see that the next candle went up and I won my trade here. So let me show you another trade. Okay, so I took my trade after this candle and I won my trade at this candle, because you can see that from this point market reversed, and I know this is the level, so because of that the market started to go up and it went up and I won my trade with this bearish candlestick. Okay, let me show you the next trade. In Euro and ZD I won my trade because of my entries, and I clicked here and I was taking my trade as per this candlestick, and you can see that because of this gap the candle closed below my entry point and I won my trade here. So there was also a factor of luck in this trade. So let me show you another one. Okay, so here I took another trade. Okay, this was the trade. So here I also won my trade here because of my good entry point. So here you can see that I took 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades in 1 minute, and in these 6 trades I only lost one trade, and it is only because of my totally wrong analysis. I was thinking that okay, this candle is closing as a bearish, but it closed as a bullish, so therefore this candle went up. If this candle was a red candle, then the next candle would be the red one too. So in this way we can analyze the market properly. So you can take trades, and you can take trades in 1 minute. You can take trades more than 2 or 3 if you know the market movement. If the market movement is going according to your mindset, and it will help you, and the next candle will also go in your direction. So the thing which I have learned from the market is market never teach the proper way. This is the one who we are. We can read the market, and we can take the best trades in the market. So we need to learn, and we need to teach ourselves as well. So for today, this was my trade, and I hope you like my trade, and if you liked, kindly share, subscribe, and comment below. So have a good day ahead. Stay blessed, you all. Bye.